Okay guys, this is going to be a video on how to program your Genie ACSD1G keypad. First you need to know how to erase the code, okay? So, press and hold program 6, enter. Now the code is erased. Now to program your code, all the programming instructions are up here. But it doesn't say how to change it. Okay? So first press 3, 5, 7, program. And this is blinking, so enter the code. And then press program. Okay. So now we need to go up to our unit and press the learn button. So that's blinking, so we can now program this. So type in your code, then enter twice. Okay, we're going to check to make sure the light comes off. If not, can't come off. Okay, there we go. So now we need to wait till the orange backlight turns off, which is about 30 seconds, which I'm not sure. Is it off? I don't know. Let's try it. Nope. Let me try that again. There we go. So it is now programmed to this opener. So I hope this video has been useful, it's been helpful. If it has, hit the like button. If you have a question or a comment, you can feel free to leave one. Check back soon and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.